Hi friends, welcome to MBA Beginner YouTube channel. Today we will cover our second part of learning advanced Excel, and we will start by opening Excel from the search bar menu. But before that, as far as the first part is concerned, now we are aware what exactly Excel is and what are the content, what are the syllabus we will be taking in this, and what exactly we will be learning in the upcoming videos or tutorial. And I will strongly suggest you, before we proceed in the next part, I will strongly suggest you to please get a notebook and pen or pencil so that you will note down all important details which will help you to remember all these things which we'll be discussing. So now let's go to the search bar. Here is the search bar, and we'll be typing EXCEL, and here it is, and we will simply click on open Excel, right? And once we click on that, after that we have to click on blank workbook. As I have already opened Excel in my laptop because of the logo and share and subscribe button. So now, as the Excel has opened and I have posted my logo, and we will be working on this Excel only. So I will suggest, before we proceed further, I will strongly suggest you to pay the kind attention and do apply the same process and note down important terms and formulas on your notebook so that it will be easy for you to remember. Now let's take a look at the Excel. This larger area, like this larger area, all these cells, like for example all these rectangular cells or these rectangular boxes, all this, it is called as the worksheet, right? What is worksheet? All these things, right? Rectangular boxes, it is called as worksheet. This is where we enter and work with our data, right, which we'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. But here we have to remember what exactly this terminology is. So this is called as worksheet, which you have to mention on your notebook as well. What exactly is the worksheet? It is the larger area, white area, where we have the rectangular boxes, right? It is also called as grid area, right? Grid simply means a sheet of paper in a notebook. So simply, Excel is a digital notebook where you can write with the help of keyboard rather than a pen or pencil. Now coming to the top, now here, right here at the top of the screen, you will see ribbon, right? These are called as ribbons. These are the magical tools which we will be understanding one by one in the next videos. Now, there are total 9 different items here. You can just count one, two, three in like file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. There are total 9 different items, and each of them is called as ribbon. So, if for example, I choose, click on, let's suppose insert, right? I get a lot of different functions and tools, and these are going to help us, like we can say, these are going to help us to specific tasks in the future. But for now, let's be aware that there are 9 default ribbons available which will help us to create magic in our notebook. We will be discussing all these things in the detail in the next videos, how exactly we have to do all these work with all these ribbons in detail, right? But first, as of this video, we are now able to understand what exactly Excel is, what is worksheet, right? I hope, because at the end of these few videos, like basics, we'll be having a quiz as well. But before this, I hope now you are able to understand what exactly worksheet is or workbook is, and what exactly ribbons are. We will play all with all these things, right? Insert, home, page layout, formulas, data, reviews, everything we will be playing with, but one by one, so that we won't get confused. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do show your support by liking, subscribing, and do comment if you have any doubt or query, or if you find this video perfectly fine. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.